Hello, today's a thankful Thursday. We're taking the quiz on Thursday this week, so I'm showing you the answers to the quiz from Friday, May 15th. And these should help you solve today's problems on the Thursday quiz. Let's look from last week. It says Ethan collected 345 stickers. His little sister took 58 stickers out of his collection. How many stickers does Ethan have left? So I find my numbers 345 and 58, and then I have to figure out what to do with them. So Ethan starts with 345 and his sister took 58. So when I set my problem up, I have 3 in the hundreds place, 4 tens, 5 ones, and then 58, I don't say the word hundred, so I don't have anything in the hundreds place, and I have 5 tens, 8 ones. If his sister took some, it's going to minus from the total of 345 that Ethan had. So if I start with 5 and I take 8 away, I can only take 5 away and I'm at 0. So I'll end up with a negative number, a -3. We don't want a negative in 3rd grade. So we go to our neighbor and knock on his door to ask to borrow a cup of sugar. He said, sure, I have 4, so you can have 1. And if the 4 gives 1 away, the 4 becomes a 3 in the tens place. So now I have 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then I have 3 tens minus 5. If I take 3 away, I'm at 0. So if I'm going to minus 5, I'm in the negative. So I need to go ahead and knock on the neighbor's door and ask to borrow a cup of sugar. He says you can have 1. All right. And the 3 becomes a 2. 2 plus 1 gives me that 3 back. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 2 minus nothing is 2. So the answer to the first problem is 287 from last Friday. The second problem says Kelsey wants to put carpet down in her closet. The closet measures 4 feet long and 3 feet wide. How many square feet of carpet does Kelsey need to purchase? Hint, think area. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to keep that area idea in my mind, and I'm looking at my numbers. So 4 foot long, so I'm thinking the length is 4 foot for the closet, and 3 feet wide, the width is 3. So I'm getting a picture of a rectangle in my mind, a 4 by 3 rectangle. And I remember area is length times width. Area is also the inside. So if I have an array, I have 3, 1, 2, 3 going across the top for the width. And for the length, I have 4 going down, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can multiply then 4 times 3. 4 is my length, 3 is my width. So if I have 4 going down 3 times, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So the inside is going to be 12 square units, and I believe it was feet on this one. Yes, so it would be 12 square feet for the area of the inside to put carpet down. That's the answer to the second problem. The third problem said, which of the following is a shaded model for the fraction 4/6? So I have my number, it's a fraction 4/6. I have shaded I'm looking for. So I remember that when I have a fraction, the number on the down, denominator's down, or the total goes on the bottom. So I need 6 total pieces, and the top for this one is shaded. You could have unshaded or shaded, but they wanted shaded, 4 out of 6. So I go and look, my very first option has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the bottom with 4 shaded. So that is not 4/6, that's 4/8, or 4 is half of 8, that's also a half. Let's look at the next one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. So that's part of it correct. Is it the whole thing that my 6 is in the denominator? But I only have 1, 2 shaded, 2 out of 6. So that's not the same. That doesn't say 4 out of 6. So let's see the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total pieces. And I have shaded 1, 2, 3, 4. So option number 3 was the correct answer. The last problem said Victoria cut a pizza into 8 slices. She ate 2 slices. What fraction of the pizza did Victoria eat? So I use my numbers. I see the word 8. So that's my number, and the number 2. I have to put it in fraction form, and they want to know how much she ate. So she ate 2 of them out of a total, remember the total will go on the bottom, out of a total of 8. So she ate 2/8 of the pizza. And that is the answers to last Friday. Make sure you remember how to do those, especially area and fractions, for Thursday's quiz today. All right, and good luck and have a thankful Thursday.